And here we are again on another chapter 3 review, page 3. Find the value of K. Okay, so there's 180 degrees in a triangle, so a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So I know that this is 52 and 26. I add those two together, gives me 78. So 180 minus the 78 degrees then will give me 102. So angle K is equal to 102 degrees. Even though it doesn't look like it, this is not to scale. Next one, find the values of X, Y, and Z. Okay. I would probably find Z first. This is an outside angle, an exterior angle on a triangle, which means these two angles added together will equal angle Z. So 42 and 60 is going to give me 102. So angle Z is 102 degrees. And then because I know this is 102 and this is a straight line, I can take 180 and subtract 102 and get 78. So angle X is 78 degrees. And then to find angle Y, this is an exterior angle again on a triangle. So you can take 78 and subtract 14 from it. And get 64. So angle Y is 64 degrees. Or you could have added these two together, the 102 and 14, and then subtract that from 180. This is like the problem up above. I have exterior angle is equal to these two angles added together. And so I'm missing an angle on the inside, so I would have to subtract. So 138 minus the 54 is going to give me 84 degrees. So X is equal to 84 degrees. Find the missing angle, measure. So these two angles form a straight line. So 180 minus 112 will give you 68. So angle Y is equal to 68 degrees. And in case you didn't know, there's 306 degrees in a four-sided figure. So if I take 124 and the 72 and the 68 and add them all together, I get 264. Take the 360, subtract the 264, and that'll give me like 96. So X is 96 degrees. All right. Write the equation in the point slope form. It goes through this point and this point using 9, 1. Okay, so I have 2 points. I have to find the slope. So this is your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to find the slope given 2 points. So 5 minus a minus 1, which would be a plus 1, over 6 minus 9. So that's 6 on the top, but negative 3 on the bottom. So negative 2 is your slope. And so now you want to write it in the equation of the y minus y1. So y minus, it says to use this one as the point. So y minus a minus 1 will give me a plus 1 equals my slope, which is a negative 2 times x minus 9. So now go ahead and multiply that out. I'll have y plus 1 equals 2 times, negative 2 times x is a negative 2x, and a negative 2 times a negative 9 is a positive 18. Write the equation vertical. Okay, so if I have a graph and I come over on x, and x in this case is a negative 8, so that would be over here somewhere. I can't draw my line on the axis, so I have to draw it straight up and down. So this is a vertical line So it says x equals. So x equals, what does x equal in this problem? It equals a -8. So that's the